Everybody, it's Andy Pancioli here from the Market Timing Report, and I just want to have a look at this idea to see if the pattern and path of the stock market can predict the winner of the forthcoming US election. So let's take a look. Well, before we go any further, we're in our new MTR Market Timing Report Advanced Seasonal Traders Platform. Seasonality trading platform, and what we're looking at here is the path of the S&P 500. There it is through to Friday. We're filming this on Sunday the 13th of October, and you can see we made a new all-time high this week. Interestingly, this is really fascinating. We are very much following the 2007 pattern. So if we go back to 2007 as we headed into the global financial crisis, this pattern isn't matching not badly at all if we look at the way this has sort of performed. And that suggests that we might see a bit of a sell-off if we follow that pattern, and it is a big if. But here's the interesting thing. History has shown that the pathway, the performance of the market from the end of July, beginning of August, all the way into the end of October, can often foretell who is likely to win the election. So it's kind of like a statistical correlation, and it's almost up at 80%. And basically, what we see is that if the market carries on up through that pathway, then the incumbent party will retain power. But if it sells off, then it tends to go to the opposition party, the one that's vying to get in. So if we do see a high here, and all the key dates are in the latest market timing report, and we do see a sell-off and down and this sort of pattern there, that would really act in the favor of Donald Trump. However, one of the features we have in our platform is the ability to use AI to calculate the potential forthcoming path, and that actually is what it's showing right now. This is the pattern match, and if you look at it, it's not been too bad, and it really relies on taking data for a certain period of time back using AI and projecting forward, and that then is a little bit more bullish. So if we carry on up, then that's going to favor the Democrats, but if we head down like we did in 2007, that was then going to favor the Republican Party and Donald Trump. So just some thoughts there for you to think about. We just head to our dashboard. There's a lot of stuff here that goes on, but what we're seeing is the highest correlating seasonal patterns right now are gold, which is correlating at 92%. So let's take a look at that. And if we bring this up here, what we can see here is that this is the path of gold for the year so far, and this is the average of the seasonal pattern in gold, running all the way up for the last 49 years. So that's a pretty good opportunity there. That's the highest one at the moment. Returning back to the dashboard, the next highest, also at 92%, is natural gas. So remember, these are all tradable through ETFs. And we've got 33 years of data, and once again, the yellow there is the path of natural gas right now, and then the blue pattern really is the potential, is the average over the last 33 years. So these are correlating pretty highly over the last few months. So this is the one of the advantages. There's a lot more to it. You can find out more information about the platform, but I really just wanted to share this idea about the presidential pattern and the ability to potentially predict an outcome looking at the behavior and performance of the markets leading up to the election window. So I hope you find this useful. Please give it a like, please subscribe to the channel, and by all means come and have a look at us at markettimingreport.com. There's a whole series of courses as well as the report and platforms like this. So take care and profitable trading.